Welcome to Space TV, your gateway to the cosmos. Today we journey back in time to the early visions of space travel. Long before the first rocket pierced the veil of our atmosphere, the concept of space travel was already alive and thriving, not in the realm of reality but of fantasy. Our journey begins with the pioneers of science fiction. Authors like Jules Verne and H.G. Wells painted vivid pictures of space travel in the minds of their readers. Verne's From the Earth to the Moon, and Wells' The War of the Worlds, among others, set the stage for the idea of interplanetary exploration, inspiring generations of dreamers and scientists alike. These literary masterpieces, though seemingly fantastical, were often grounded in the scientific understanding of the time. Verne's moon-bound canon, for instance, highlighted the necessity of escaping Earth's gravitational pull, a concept fundamental to modern rocketry. Wells, on the other hand, explored the potential of extraterrestrial life, a question that still drives space exploration today. But it wasn't just the scientific concepts that these early works introduced. They also captured the public's imagination, fueling a fascination with the cosmos that transcends generations. They portrayed space travel as a grand adventure, a concept that continues to captivate us. The early visions of space travel weren't confined to novels, they also found their way into popular culture, from comic strips to early films. These depictions, while often fantastical, reflected and amplified the public's growing interest in the cosmos. As we now know, these early dreamers were prophetic. Their imaginings laid the foundation for the real-life space exploration that was to come. They dared to dream of a future where humans could venture beyond Earth, sparking a flame of curiosity and ambition that continues to drive us forward. These early dreamers laid the groundwork for the monumental journey from fantasy to reality. As we move forward into the cosmos, we carry with us the spirit of these early visionaries, a testament to the power of imagination and the unending human desire to explore the unknown. Our journey takes us to 1957, a historic year that marked the dawn of the space age. With the launch of Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite, humanity took its first steps into the cosmos. This tiny sphere, emitting a simple radio beep, orbited the Earth, irrevocably changing our perspective on our place in the universe. This groundbreaking achievement sparked a fierce competition between the Soviet Union and the United States, igniting the space race. Each nation strived to outdo the other, accelerating technological advancements at an unprecedented rate. The Soviets stunned the world again in 1961, sending the first human, Yuri Gagarin, into orbit. Not to be outdone, the United States answered with the Mercury and Gemini programs, setting the stage for the ambitious Apollo missions. This era propelled us into the cosmos, opening the door to the exploration of the unknown. The year 1969 brought a significant milestone, forever etching humanity's first steps on another celestial body. In the midst of a global space race, the United States Apollo program, with its bold vision and relentless determination, reached for the moon. It was a journey of more than 238,000 miles, fraught with danger and uncertainty, but fueled by a spirit of exploration and scientific discovery. Named after Apollo, the Greek god of light and music, the program was a beacon of hope and a symphony of human achievement. Apollo 11, the fifth manned mission of NASA's Apollo program, was particularly significant. On board were astronauts Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins, each playing a pivotal role in this historic voyage. On July 20th, 1969, as millions watched anxiously back on Earth, the lunar module Eagle detached from the command module and began its descent. Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin, enclosed within, were about to make history. With the immortal words, "The Eagle has landed," Armstrong confirmed their successful arrival on the moon's surface. A few hours later, he took the first step, uttering the now famous phrase, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Aldrin soon joined him, and together, they spent over 2 hours outside the lunar module, conducting experiments and collecting samples. The Apollo moon landings were not just about setting foot on the moon, they were a testament to human resolve and ingenuity, a triumph of science and technology over the unknown. They brought the world together, if just for a moment, in shared wonder and awe. They inspired a generation to dream bigger, to reach further, to explore the unknown. And perhaps most importantly, they gave us a new perspective. Looking back at the Earth from the lunar surface, we saw our world as a fragile blue marble, alone in the vast expanse of space. It was a profound reminder of our shared humanity, our shared home, and our shared responsibility to protect it. This unprecedented accomplishment paved the way for future space exploration, proving that nothing is beyond our reach. As we moved into the era of the space shuttle, our reach extended further into the cosmos. The Space Shuttle program, operated by NASA, was a game changer for space exploration. Over 30 years, beginning in 1981, 5 space shuttles were launched into orbit, conducting a myriad of missions that expanded our understanding of the universe. These shuttles served as a vital bridge between Earth and space, ferrying astronauts, satellites, and scientific instruments to and from space. They paved the way for groundbreaking research in astronomy, physics, and biology, and played a crucial role in constructing the International Space Station. The Space Shuttle program was not without its challenges, though. The tragic loss of 2 shuttles, Challenger in 1986 and Columbia in 2003, were stark reminders of the inherent risks in space exploration. But the legacy of the Space Shuttle program is far from defined by these losses. The countless scientific discoveries, the technological advancements, and the inspiration it provided to future generations are immeasurable. The Hubble Space Telescope, launched and repaired by space shuttles, has given us some of the most detailed images of the cosmos ever captured. The space shuttle era expanded our understanding of the universe, pushing the boundaries of what was possible. It marked a significant chapter in human space exploration, one that brought us closer to the stars and paved the way for the future. In 1998, the International Space Station became a beacon of international cooperation and scientific discovery. Orbiting our planet at an average altitude of 240 miles, this marvel of engineering was assembled piece by piece in space, a feat unprecedented in the annals of human history. 15 nations, including the United States, Russia, and countries from the European Space Agency, came together to construct this orbiting laboratory. The ISS serves as a shining example of how nations can set aside their differences and collaborate on a project of global significance. The station's various modules, each launched and added separately, serve distinct purposes. They provide living quarters for the rotating crew of astronauts and cosmonauts, labs for scientific research, and even a bay for spacecraft to dock. The International Space Station is more than just a spacecraft, it's a fully functional research facility. Scientists aboard the ISS conduct experiments in a wide array of disciplines, including biology, physics, and astronomy, to name a few. The unique conditions of microgravity allow for experiments that simply cannot be carried out on Earth. The ISS also serves an important role in preparing humanity for future deep space missions. The knowledge and experience gained from living and working in space for extended periods are invaluable in planning for journeys to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. The ISS stands as a testament to what humanity can achieve when we work together towards a common goal. Fast forward to today, where commercial spaceflight companies are revolutionizing our approach to exploring the cosmos. Giants of the industry, SpaceX and Blue Origin, are leading the charge with their innovative technologies and audacious visions. Fueled by a desire to democratize space travel, they are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. SpaceX, masterminded by Elon Musk, has made significant strides with reusable rockets, slashing the cost of reaching orbit. Meanwhile, Blue Origin, under the leadership of Jeff Bezos, is focused on building infrastructure for future space entrepreneurs. Both companies are not just aiming for the Moon, but they have their sights set on Mars and beyond. Their contributions are more than just technological. They're rekindling our collective sense of wonder and reigniting our passion for space exploration. The space frontier is no longer exclusive to government agencies or astronauts. It's opening up for explorers, scientists, and even tourists. These trailblazers are redefining space travel, bringing us one step closer to making space accessible to all. As we look to the future, our sights are set beyond Earth's orbit. The Moon, our closest celestial neighbor, is once again in focus, with modern missions like NASA's Artemis program aiming to return humans to its surface for the first time in over 50 years. Yet the Moon is just a stepping stone. Mars, the red planet, beckons. With rovers like Perseverance already on its surface, plans for human missions to Mars are steadily progressing. But why stop there? The vast expanse of our solar system and the mysteries of the wider universe remain open for exploration. Comets, asteroids, the outer planets, all are potential destinations, each with their unique challenges and rewards. We stand on the cusp of a new era, where space travel is not just about reaching new worlds, but about understanding our place in the cosmos. From early dreams to modern realities, space travel continues to captivate, inspire, and push us to reach for the stars